Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal news scrolling text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. This is a great way to display breaking news, announcements, or any information you want to continuously scroll across your screen, just like you see on professional news broadcasts. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll be able to add and customize your scrolling text effect. Now focus on the top left corner of your screen and click on Effects, then click on Titles. This opens up a library of text options that DaVinci Resolve offers. From this library, locate the Text Plus option. This is the tool we'll use to create our scrolling news text. Drag Text Plus and drop it above your video clip on the timeline. Once it's there, extend the width of the Text Plus layer by dragging its edges until it matches the full duration of your video. This ensures your text scrolls for the entire length of your clip. Next, click on the Text Plus layer you just added to select it. Then, on the top right of your screen, click on Inspector. This panel gives you access to all the customization options for your text. In the text field that appears, go ahead and type in the news or message you want to scroll across the screen. This could be anything from breaking news to event announcements. Now, click on Shading to add some styling to your text. Under Select Element, click on the number 2, then check the checkbox labeled Enabled. This activates the background layer for your text. In the Appearance section, click on the third option to adjust the style, then change the color to whatever suits your video's aesthetic. After that, decrease the opacity slightly to make the background less dominant. Then, under Level, click the drop-down menu and select Line. This creates a clean horizontal strip behind your scrolling text. At this point, click on Layout at the top of the Inspector panel. Here, you'll adjust the position of your text. Start by adjusting the center Y value until your text is positioned exactly where you want it on the screen, whether that's at the bottom, middle, or top. Once you have the vertical position set, adjust the center X value until the text completely disappears off one side of the screen. Now it's time to create the scrolling animation. Move your playhead to the very start of your video, then click the diamond shape beside center X. This sets a keyframe, marking the starting position of your text. Next, move your playhead to the end of your video. Now adjust the center X value again so that the text moves to the opposite side of the screen. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create the animation between these two keyframes. Go ahead and play your video to see the scrolling text in action. The text should smoothly glide across the screen from one side to the other. And that's it, you've successfully added professional-looking horizontal scrolling news text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.